Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to fix the Bosch Washing Machine E10 error code in 2025, then this video is for you. If you find this error code on your screen, the Bosch Washing Machine screen, then here is the fix. So the E10 error code on a Bosch washing machine in 2025 models included typically means water supply issue. The machine is not filling with water properly. So what causes this E10 on Bosch washing machine? The cause can be the water tap closed. So the description here is that no water is reaching the machine, or that low water pressure, not enough flow for water for the washer to start. Then you can find that it can be that blocked inlet hose or filter. So debris in the hose or filter screen, or it could be the cause for a faulty water inlet valve, the valve not opening to let water in, or the control board glitch or fault, like rare but possibly in modern digital models. So here is how to fix the Bosch E10 error code, like step-by-step guide for you. Now the first step is check the water tap. Make sure the water supply tap is fully open. Try turning it off and one on again. Then check water pressure. If other taps in the house also have low flow, and the issue may be with your home's water supply. Both machines need at least 0.5 bar pressure to operate properly. Then the third step is inspect the inlet hose. Turn off the water, unscrew the inlet hose for the machine. Then check for that nicks or bends. Then clean the kins or bends. Then clog the mesh filter inside the hose. Use a brush or tweezers to clean it. Then sediment build up. Now the fourth step is clean the filter screen. Locate the inlet filter, usually inside the threaded part of the hose at the back of the machine. Then use tweezers for a soft brush to remove dirt or grit. Then fifth step is test the inlet valve. The inlet valve, after reconnecting the hose and turning the water on, try running a cycle. If no water enters after 1 to 2 minutes, the inlet valve may be faulty and need replacing. Now the sixth is power reset the machine. Turn off the machine and unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes. Plug it back in and restart the cycle. This can clear temporary glitches. So when to call for service? Call Bosch support for a technician if you have tried all the above and still get E10. The inlet valve clicks but no water flows, may be electrically damaged, and the control board doesn't respond or throws multiple errors. Now here is the Bosch support. You can connect with www.bosch-home.com and you can talk about this issue and they can help you in this problem. Now here's the quick maintenance tip. Clean the inlet filter every 3 to 6 months, especially if your area has hard water or old plumbing. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.